Hi, welcome to Vegan Method. In this video I'm making tofu and artichoke chicken burgers. To make these delicious vegan chicken burgers you will need 150 grams of artichoke hearts, 200 grams of extra firm tofu, 80 grams of chickpea flour, 5 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper. I've got some panko breadcrumbs to coat the burgers, and I've used some vegan chicken flavouring. If you can find a vegan chicken stock cube, that will do perfectly. So firstly I'm going to break the tofu up into a blender, and then I'm going to add the artichoke hearts, and what I will do, I will blend this first before adding any other ingredients. Next I'm going to add the salt, the onion powder, the garlic powder, the black pepper and the chicken flavouring. Then I will blend once again. Once it's all nicely mixed in, I will then take it off the blender, add the nutritional yeast and blend one final time before transferring to a bowl. Then I will add the chickpea flour and give it a good mix in with my hands. So once I'm happy with the mixture, I will get a chopping board and lightly flour the board and my hands so the mixture doesn't stick. I'll then create a ball, flatten it into a rough burger shape and then put it into the breadcrumbs so it's fully coated. For this recipe I've used my burger press to give myself a better looking burger. If you haven't got one, you can flatten and shape the burger with your hands. So I'm just going to fry these in a little bit of oil and then put them into a burger bun. So to cook them, it's just like a normal burger. Cook one side until brown and then turn them over. Make sure they're fully cooked on both sides before serving. That's it, how to make a tofu and artichoke burger that tastes like chicken. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please feel free to like, subscribe or leave your comments below.